So I was sent part of a lampshade by one of my former students, and there were 9 of these panels. And when she put it together, it was too tight in a circle to go over the harp of a lamp. So she sent it to me and asked me to fix it. So this is a piece of paper representing the piece that she was given. And I drew out the size that we would need to make a circle that would fit over the harp and look okay. So there was wings that had to be added on. I don't know where the other wing piece is. Well, it really doesn't matter. There's an A and a B, and then the center piece is the original. So here are the pieces, and I'm wrapping them now. I'm using this silver-backed or silver-faced, silver-backed tape, copper foil, and centering the glass on it. And you try to center the glass on the tape so that you have even coverage on the front and the back of each piece. Because you don't want there to be no foil on one side and a lot of foil on the other side. And then you just trim it. And the first pass is just a pinch around. You have to be careful because sometimes it's a little sharp and it wants to cut your fingers. So I've pinched it around, and now you burnish the part where you see all the foil, not the faces, because this pushes the air out front and back and helps heat up the adhesive so it sticks to the glass. There's numerous burnishers, and this is the one I like the best. I like the popsicle stick style. So my first pass on the faces are slow, so you don't pull the foil off the glass, which I just did. So I will take, here's an X-Acto, and try to lift it up. Yep, I don't think it's gonna work. So that's how you burnish copper foil onto a piece of stained glass. And I will wrap this piece. She had already soldered the inside, and I'll wrap this piece, and we'll come back to you and show you the next step, probably tomorrow.